Have you ever wondered what it takes to attend the App Expo in China? This thriving hub of the signage industry is a must-visit for anyone intrigued by the world of signs, whether you're a seasoned professional or a curious newcomer. Today, we're going to break down the requirements to attend this exciting event. Next, you need to sort out your travel arrangements. The App Expo is held in China, so you'll likely need to book a flight. Depending on where you're traveling from, you may also need a visa to enter the country. It's essential to check the latest travel advisories and visa requirements for your specific country before booking your flight. Accommodation is another critical factor to consider. The App Expo City has a plethora of options, from lavish hotels to economical hostels. Remember, location's proximity to the expo venue matters. There are some restrictions on using the internet in China. VPN-based SIM cards are now available in China, can only use internet. Activate our SIM roaming facility to make calls. Many of the Google products and WhatsApp we use can't be accessed using local Wi-Fi. Now let's talk about language. While the Appo Expo is an international event, having a basic understanding of Mandarin can significantly enhance your experience. Even if you don't become fluent, learning a few key phrases can go a long way. When planning to go China, just check the current weather condition, also wear clothes according to the climate. Finally, it's time to prepare for the expo itself. Be sure to pack comfortable shoes, as you'll be doing a lot of walking. Also, bring a notebook and pen to jot down any interesting ideas or contacts you come across. And don't forget your business cards. Networking is a big part of any industry event. Look at the event schedule to plan which exhibitions, workshops, or talks you want to attend. It's also a good time to set up meetings with exhibitors or other attendees if you're looking to network. So, in summary, attending the App Expo in China involves securing a ticket, arranging travel and accommodation, possibly learning some Mandarin, and preparing for the event itself. With these steps completed, you're well on your way to immersing yourself in the world of signage at the App Expo. It's an experience you won't want to miss. Thank you for watching Arnin Media. We will meet in China.